Today we are looking at a set of Makino F-9 vertical machining centers, which are under power, currently running parts. They have the full 5 CNC control, lift up chip conveyors, 20,000 RPM spindles with HSK 63 tooling and 60 tool holders. They do have a mist collection system on each machine. Very finicky, very detailed parts. Extreme accuracies are required. This is packaging dies for the medical industry. Number 3. I just put this part in. A warm-up cycle.